Hey everybody, today for checkout we have the Panasonic KX-PRW120. Let's plug this into the phone line because I want to go straight ahead with this. I've adjusted a couple of settings like the time and stuff, but why I'm not really mainly doing a checkout. I'm mainly showing the smartphone connect app for and apparently you can't do all the features of this app with iPhone, with the iPhone, yeah. So instead I've got an old Android, and it's got the smartphone connect. Now I've not used this phone in a while, so it has got some old things. So you just connect this to your phone, and then you can make some phone calls. So you just connect this to your PRW telephone, so your premium phone, and then you can make phone calls off. So I'll make a phone call to the main line, just to show you it working. So 1035. And don't do call from cell phone because that will call off your cell phone. You want to do the call landline. So when you press that, it will make the call from your landline. Let me put it on speaker. Oh.
Thank you for calling Joseph C. Press 1 to call.
Then it should call the others.
Joseph C. Your call will be taken shortly.
Now, what I did forget to do was I forgot to put the IP phone on silent, so I'll just go ahead and do that now. So, oh. Just for this I'll do silent. I must make sure I can still make a call off this, because I've accidentally deactivated the thing. That's good. By accident I pressed the wrong button. So, now that's done, let's go into the smartphone connect. So I want to upload a wallpaper. So I'm going to go to more and send wallpaper, open with gallery. Then this is the wallpaper I want. So I press that. Open with crop picture. This will do. It's a bit. Right, send. So I'm sending that picture over to the. Now it's receiving the wallpaper. So it's, hopefully that wallpaper saves because I like it. It's the smiley wallpaper. Hopefully, obviously this app is an old piece of technology. These phones are an old piece of technology. I think they're discontinued now. So they may take a while. Although it is weird. Oh, one item completed. How was that? Right, if I hit close on. Right, here we go. Right, now let's try and set the wallpaper. Where's display settings? That's what I'm looking for, isn't it? I kept thinking it was called wallpaper, but I forgot that's in. Alright, there we go. Please set to that. What? Why is no wallpaper like setting? Like, why isn't the wallpaper setting? I've lost display settings. not an option here for like... Maybe I need to set the date and time. I'll just set it to what I think it is because I'm not too sure. So it looks like 450. So this phone was made in 2013. So it's older than most Panasonics. Right, so it's 1209. And the time is approximately 4:50 p.m. I don't care if it's not 100%. Oh, I forgot this is. The wallpaper doesn't seem to like set. Right, we'll just leave it then, maybe. Now I'm going to try and upload a ringtone. Right. Wait there. Sending a ringtone is harder than I thought. Because I want to send the cheesy jazz. Right. It will take about 3 minutes. So I actually had to set my phone ringtone to that first for it to send. Now there's a communication error. Now it says there's a communication error, so I don't see it. Now it keeps saying there's a communication. Right, let me try making a call. Right, so I'm making a call.
Thank you for calling Joe.
Right, I'm calling myself. Oh. Right, so that's working. It's changed back now, the time has. Now I really want to send the cheesy jazz ringtone, but I can't work out why it's not letting me. Right. Because look, what it's doing is it's saying that and then it'll say connection error or something. So I don't get I'll be back once I've got this resolved. So the thing that was wrong was the file. So thank you to Rod Arvin Electrics for providing me with some files for the phone. So the issue was the file name was too long, and I think it was that anyway. But I tried a file just called Jazz that Rod Arvin Electrics provided me with for the phone, and it works great. Actually, it works great when I ring it. So let me just unlock this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it up. This Android phone's going to ring too. Now this Android phone only seems to ring when it's unlocked. I might fix that like when I've unlocked the phone. So I might fix that soon. But for now, let's just call it and see if it calls. So it'll ring now. So it takes a couple of secs. So that'll ring. There we go.
Call from Joseph C.
And if I open that.
Call from Joseph C.
So let me put this on speaker. Hello.
Hello.
Well, so there is actually a bit of a delay with the app. So let me disconnect. So that's that. So it rings and stuff. Now let's try and add a caller ID entry. So that basically phone book. Don't know why I said it like that. So I'm going to name it Cheesy Jazzy. So let me show you me naming it. Right, and then the phone number. Now I'm hoping that's saved on the mobile as well, but it probably hasn't. So let's call again. Doesn't matter anyway, because that doesn't have talking caller ID. So let me just listen out for the thank you for calling Joseph C. And then I just hit 1 straight away because I know this by now. That's my call BD.
Call from Cheesy Jazzy.
Alright, so that's working.
Call from Cheesy Jazzy. Call from
here we go.
Cheesy Jazzy.
Oh, it has taken it off the phone book.
Call from Cheesy Jazzy.
So let me turn the ringer off on this now, and we'll just hear the landline. Alright. So the ringer's off now. It'll still ring through on this, but it won't like sound. So we've got the cheesy jar, and as you can see, I've not got any vibration, I've not got any sound, but I've got that little incoming in the corner. So when I click, but yeah,
Call from Cheesy
when I
Jazzy.
click on that, the incoming call comes through here. But I'm gonna.
Call from Cheesy Jazzy.
But yeah, the cheesy
Call
jars.
from Cheesy Jazzy.
Because we don't get the AT&T phones for the Cheesy Jazzy range in the UK, so this was my best option to get a phone that. It has got the noise reduction, which is good. Right, so I'm very happy with this. Now let's leave a message on the... let's leave a message on this. So I need to actually go through the message options. I'm not going to do ringtones on this because I think they're pretty much the standard Panasonic ringtones, I believe. Wait. I've already done a video on this on my extras channel because it's the same ringtones as the TG6611, except for, of course, jazz, which is basically why I bought this phone, so I could have jazz as the ringer. But yeah, and it's good phone with good features. Take a breath. Right. So, next I'm going to talk about the answering machine settings now. So we'll go to here, go to there. Now let's record a greeting.
Record greeting after the beep.
You have reached the hardware corner. Leave a message or I'm not calling you back.
You have reached the hardware corner. Leave a message or I'm not calling you back.
I think that's perfect. New message alert. I want that off. So settings as well. So ring counts. I wanted to do 3 rings so I can at least get one lot of talking caller ID. Oh no, I'll make it 4. So it's the 4 rings. And then I want to make sure call screening is off. Recording time. Let's have a look at this. 3 minutes. I'll stay with 3 minutes. I'll stay with 3 minutes. And answer is...
Answer set.
Well, it's on now. Let's call it and leave a message. So it's all... So it may not call this phone at the minute. Right, here we go.
Call from Cheesy Jazzy.
That was quick.
Call from Cheesy Jazzy.
Can't tell how many ringers this has.
Leave a message or I'm not calling you back.
Well, hello, this has the newer voice and I like it. Let's see the quality on this answering machine. Well, it's digital because it's through the handset. Anyway, goodbye now. Right, let's check this message out. Is there a designated answering machine key? No. That's a speed dial.
Well, hello. This has a newer voice and I like it. Let's see the quality on this answering machine. Well, it's digital because it's through the handset. Anyway, goodbye now. Thursday, 9:16.
I'm quite happy with that, you know. It's not bad. It's quite good. Right. Now I'm going to call up the test phone and leave a testing message. So I'm going to do it first on the app. Right, so I better make sure it's actually on. It isn't, so I'll quickly let me turn that on.
Answer set. Tuesday, 9:17 a.m.
Right, 1035, that's the number. So make sure to do landline, not mobile. I think I mentioned that.
Thank you for calling Joseph C.
Oh.
Press 1 to call. Press 2 to leave a voicemail.
Let's press
Or
1.
if you have reached... Thank you for calling Joseph C. Your call will be taken shortly.
Cheesy 6 playing.
Hello. corner. I am currently unavailable to answer the phone. Please leave a message after the tone and I will get back to you when I am at the phones. Thank you.
So this is the Android phone on the speaker. So hello. And this is it on the talk mode. Hello. So I've just hung that up. So I imagine because it's off here, it won't be that good quality. I mean, that's what I imagine anyway. Anyway, let me just go and hit play. Let me hit play.
One message. So this is the Android phone on the speaker. So hello. And this is it on the talk mode. Hello. Tuesday, 9:17 a.m.
That's not bad. That's not actually that bad. You know, that. Ow. Oof. Saying that's like off an app, that's not bad. Anyway, it's time to use this. If you wonder why I said ow, I just scraped my hand on the corner of my wardrobe. Ow, ow, ow. Oh well. It's not like it's going to stop me making the video, so oh well. Right, so let's get the phone and let's call the number. So I don't like how the speaker key's up there. I prefer it down like this phone. Anyway, let's call.
Thank you for calling Joseph C. Press 1 to call. Press 2 to leave a voicemail. Thank you for calling Joseph C. Your call will be taken shortly.
Oh.
Hello, I'm Joey. You have reached the hardware corner. I am currently unavailable to answer the phone. Please leave a message after the tone and I will get back to you when I am at the phones. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to the phones. They're all ringing at once. Goodbye. Oh wait, no. Actually no, because this is it on the speakerphone and this is it on the handset. God, right, talk mode. Gosh, nearly hung up then. Oof. Right, let's go ahead and press play. I remember when I had the PABX, new messages would take ages to like be put on there, and you'd always get the hang up tone after.
Hello, welcome to the phone. They're all ringing at once. Goodbye. Oh, wait, no. Actually, no, because this is it on the speakerphone and this is it on the handset. God, right, talk mode. Gosh, nearly hung up then.
Right, I'm a bit disappointed with that. I like it. The quality's, it kind of cut out a bit. Mind you, maybe that wasn't, I know. That's odd. There is one more thing I want to do with this phone, so let me just... Oh, what's the code? Oh, damn, what's the code? Wait there. Right, okay. Alright. Wait there, I need to do it off this phone. I did it wrong. Here we Oh, great. The answering machine is on. Oh. Let's hope it doesn't say line in use. Well, that's left a message, so let me just do delete all quickly.
No message.
Right. That didn't exactly go to plan. Right, let's try that again. They should call in a sec. They should, hopefully.
Private caller.
What? Why is it still... Oh, I'll turn it off on here. I forgot to turn it off.
Answer.
Right, let's try it again now. Oh.
Call from private caller.
Oh. Now only this is on again, which is cool. This is how I want it.
Call from private caller.
Let's see this ringing. And oh. Now that I forgot this answering machine is on. Right, can I do this now without a freak show, please?
Answer off.
I need to do this without a freak show. Let's try this again, one more time. Right. I had to do that for a couple seconds, then it's only this that brings up. There we go.
Call from private caller. Call from
Let's see
private
if this
caller.
brings when I open the app.
Call from private caller.
This is for Rob, this bit. Here we go, look.
Call from private caller.
So I do really like the app, actually.
Call from private caller.
I don't know why that button flashes. But yeah, that's the last thing I wanted to do on the Panasonic KX-PRW telephone. Let me know if you like this phone, of course, in the comments below. Thank you for watching.